Now to take out the dryer, after you have recovered the gas and oil, take the connector out for the horns, and then remove this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. You don't need to remove this. It's a size 10. It's very fast. Remove this hose at the back here. This one. See that? Lift it up. There's a cable here that's holding. They will limit your movement here. Okay, so you need to back the vacuum. You will need to disconnect this cable first, so you will have to adjust it to pry out the this clip here. Remove this, and then you can lift this up. Now you can lift it up. This is where you access the dryer screw here. Don't forget to remove this sensor. Just put it up there. Remove the toolbox here so you can press down the plastic. Up there. I've already taken this out earlier. How do you know it's time to change? Basically, it's dirty and it's oily. That's number one. That's very easy to see. Number two is this is heavier. You can feel it's heavier. This is new. It's lighter. So this is the system where it absorbs the moist. So this is heavy because of water, moist, and oil and dirt. So it's done. This is a Denso part. I don't have the number, but I got it from Denso shop. There are a few things that we must remember. Nothing must enter here. Once you open it up, you have to be fast. Get this in. Okay, how are you going to take this out? Before that, I forgot to explain. It was this side up. Okay, to take it out, you don't know which way it is. So the easiest way is like this. You need to use one of these pliers, but it's going to be about 2 inches inside, so you have to go in quite deep and pull it in. So use your camera, your front camera. Once you open this up, use your front camera to look at which direction this is positioned. If it's positioned like this, put it in and you just try to grab. You can't see this, you just have to feel it and then just pull it out. So if the position is like this, make sure your plier is going this way. So use your front camera to see first, because you might risk of pushing this even further up. I would suggest putting it this way because it's easier for us to pull it out like this later for other people to for the future maintenance. Okay. Next is this oil. This is an ND11 oil. you will need this. You need to soak it up a bit. I will need to soak this. This is why you need towel. There you go. And now this, you need to lubricate it. Okay. To tighten it up, use the bottom one, like that. Two nuts. Take the bottom one. Do not force it too much because it's plastic. There's no top to this. Okay, that's it. You don't need to watch. I won't make a video of me tightening things up. So again, for this, the torque is 14 Newton meter. This is 13.13, and the plastic part here is only 6 or 7. Just your strength, normal strength is about 6, 7, 8 done. If you happen to remove this accidentally, this is 19. That is all. I'm gonna put back. Put 2 nuts here like this. So when you want to tighten it, you will need to use the bottom one, like that. So it gets stuck. When you want to open it, you use the top one to spin it open. So this thing will interlock itself. So you cannot screw it in or unscrew it.